And today we are going to talk about argumentation. Okay, all about how to build arguments, how to debate, how to convince other people into your idea. And okay, let me show. Let me hide this something from your side, from you. Okay, here. And let's just generate some ideas, just share. How do you think how we could build some arguments? For example, how we could structure our ideas when we want to convince other people in essays, for example, academic essay, and just in business presentation or during our speech. Do you have any ideas? What is very important when we want to argue other people?
Data.
Okay, what do you mean saying data?
I mean, what you, how you, in what you based your arguments, for example, or you focusing on some data, for example, some researches or some numbers that proved some your ideas. For example, we launched this product because of we have a low level of engagement and because of engagement rate, something like that. And so this is, it could be some another analytics that can prove our assumptions, proposals, or if not data, maybe some business context, why we, or another context, why we propose what we want to propose.
Okay, that is quite a big reason. Okay, it sounds logical. What else? Maybe some of you, maybe, I don't know, last year, for example, I passed some exam of IELTS and there were some rules. Maybe you also had this kind of experience. What is important to, if you have some statement, what you need to do, what you need to include into your essay, for example, except data. It's one of the main things. Okay.
As I remember, and as I use it as usual in my life, for me, firstly, it's create in your head very okay, in your head story, and so you make this argumentation step by step, involving people to understand, to realize what you mean and what's the decision you try to provide them, or not decision, maybe some think or yeah storyline step by step, and and as a mainstream now, it's some feelings what they should feel, and use argumentation to involve their feelings to your story. Yeah.
Okay. Lena, what do you think?
Maybe to think about some questions which other person can ask you, and to answer it in before he asks it.
Okay. And the last thing that maybe later we will check.
Find facts, think why you enemy wrong.
like find the okay, the opposite, maybe some kind of the opposite facts. Okay, or against your enemy. Maria, maybe you have something to add